Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I am at the Fire Prairie Trail in Big Cypress National Preserve. This trail is just off the Turner River Road, which starts off at H.B. Williams Boardwalk on the Tamiami Trail or US 41. It took us about 20 to 25 minutes going north up to get to this trail, so let's check this trail out. This trail is only about 5 miles down and back, but it's a very interesting trail because it's one of those trails that stay dry most of the time because it's a raised trail. We've only been here for about 5 minutes, but we've seen tons of wildlife. We've seen red-shouldered hawks, black vultures, rough-winged swallows, and we've also seen a whole bunch of plant life like ferns, palms, cypresses, and even some pines. We've also seen some invasive species like the Brazilian pepper. Now we have another thing to add to our list of wildlife, some turtles. The Fire Prairie Trail starts off in a cypressy area, and then it goes into a hardwood hammock, and then into a vast prairie. This right here is the transition from hardwood hammock to sawgrass prairie. This is unbelievable! There's so many rough-winged swallows here. That was so cool. We stepped into the prairie area and all those swallows just popped out of nowhere. As we were hiking, I nearly stepped on an eastern diamondback rattlesnake, but we didn't get too close since it is the most venomous snake in the eastern US. These rattlesnakes are called rattlesnakes because they have a rattle on their tails, which is made of the same material as our nails and our hair, which is keratin. The rattle is used for warning off things that can be harmful to the rattlesnake. This rattlesnake was showing its rattle, but it wasn't rattling it because we weren't getting too close. We have reached the end of the trail. Look around. This big open area is right in the middle of the prairie and cypress, but I'm not sure what it's for. What I think is that logging trucks actually came through here and used it as a turnaround area and went back with their wood. If you know what it's for, please tell me down in the comments below. Look, there's a black racer right there. We had a lot of fun on the Fire Prairie Trail. It took us about 4 hours to do this whole thing leisurely, and we saw lots of plants and animals, including that eastern diamondback rattlesnake, which I almost stepped on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.